if I were to come back with shoe boxes?
Or Chanel boxes or Hermes boxes.
What's the weather? Guys, help me. What else do I need? What should I do? How should I chill out? Any ideas?
Can't really chill out.
It's now 3 weeks before the start of the trip. Usually, I pack overnight. I pack the night before, or earliest, 2 nights before, because that's how I pack. This time, I'm packing 3 weeks in advance. 3 weeks. It's pretty mental. What on earth am I doing at 9 o'clock in the evening? What am I going to pack? Equipment. Do you hear that? The car is now properly warmed up. Enjoy this service whilst I'm here. This kind of service is top notch. Next month, you'll see. It's gonna be do it yourself. It's not a big deal. You gotta do it. Bye bye. Brilliant. Love it. What are you playing hide and seek? What are you doing? Safe driving. Let's go home.
Day 2.
Jamie? Like I said, the packing is incessant. So today, to start off the day, I'm going to do some cleaning around the house. Exciting stuff.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If I don't clean all the aircon now, once I've flown, I suppose I can do it. Like this, on tippy toes. Done. Good job.
A few moments later.
It used to be, I can't say straightforward, but flying and packing used to be sometimes enjoyable.
I've never enjoyed packing.
Because I did it.
No. I never enjoyed packing or unpacking. It's even worse now. I cannot imagine packing for a trip now or the stuff that you have to take.
Boxes of masks, rapid home test kits.
This is one big
Joke.
Would you normally travel with 5 litres of disinfectant? This is crazy.
I think I could get it in London, but I think it's more expensive because we have a VIP code in Hong Kong, so it's cheaper, much cheaper.
But we get a good price on Breezy to get the disinfectant, so we've saved the 5 litre for him, which I do not think will last you 6 weeks. I mean 2 months, including quarantine and stuff.
I really don't know how long this will last because we used to wear masks daily in Hong Kong. We test ourselves every now and then before we see our friends. But once you're in the UK, I guess all of this is pointless because no one does anything.
Yeah, you just gotta learn to live with COVID.
Or learn to get COVID.
It's okay. I'm not that worried. I think you will take care of yourself. But I think on the other hand, you're slightly more worried about me because I'll be here with Damon and Jamie. Of course, we have our helper. But there's a lot of stuff around the house that he normally does. You know, like the home improvement stuff, moving things around, heavy lifting, fixing knickknacks. And I think with you away, I think I'll just have to live with a semi-broken apartment for 2 months.
You'll be fine.
And then
Just don't fix anything.
I have a knack of buying like new houseware, homeware. And he's the one that normally helps me move it around,
Fix the carpet.
clean it, stuff like that. Oh, I have to do that all myself.
You're gonna miss me.
Yeah, I think so.
This goes in the backpack actually.
So you're taking those on board?
Yeah. All of this is under 100 milliliters, so this one goes here.
There's so many compartments. This
It's
is
really
crazy.
good. It's really cool.
Is this a camera bag?
No, it's not. It's a work backpack, but it fits 30 liters of stuff. Now I've got to put a camera in here, a computer in here, and I've got, oh man, I stupidly bought this Pelican-like case. It looks very cool. It's really impractical because just the case itself weighs 7 kilograms. So when you stuff it full of cameras and batteries and equipment, it's going to weigh 15 to 20 kilograms. And
That's too heavy to take on board.
it's horrible.
Yeah, per piece of
But
luggage.
it's good for storing stuff at home now. So I have both my cameras in here. So look at that. And then the spare camera goes in there. And then the camera goes in there. Well, actually, this is for storage now. That's for on board the flight here, and this one. This one is really light. This is a proper suitcase. And what I figured out is I'll buy bags for the cameras that go here in the top compartment, and then other stuff here. Like batteries and my disinfector. Disinfector? Is that what you even word? I think you're supposed to buy this box and use it domestically at home. So for people at TVB or View TV, they take their stuff, stick it in the box, they go to work.
You know what they're good for? Stools. Like when you're output shooting and you have nowhere to sit, I always sit on these boxes. The crew used to always let me sit on the boxes.
Yeah. The reason why I bought this box is because I don't have to unpack all the test kits and chuck it in and slip it left and right. So you can just chuck it in there, with the whole box.
But it takes up so much space, I don't understand.
But to have to unpack all the masks and like kind of put them left and right and find gaps to hide them, and then to put them in plastic bags and stuff, it's stupid. It's big enough for you to put stuff with volume without any weight. Boxes. You know, if I were to come back with shoe boxes,
Or Chanel boxes or Hermes boxes. I bet you he's gonna come back with a shitload
boxes.
of Lego. And nothing for me. Nothing for me. He's gonna go to every single city around the UK and buy Lego for Damon and Jamie and nothing for me.
hello? What's the weather?
So you'll be flying with how many suitcases?
This big one, big red one. This one goes with me in the cabin and backpack.
Where's your clothes?
In the big red one.
No, you're not gonna fit all your clothes in there. I think you need one extra suitcase for clothes. Even if you don't pack it full, you should take an extra big suitcase.
Extra big one?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, I think so. And all the stuff you're gonna buy back.
I'm gonna buy.
No, I'm not kidding. I'm not hinting anything. Seriously, you can't even fit 2 pairs of shoes in here. I think you should take your own hairdryer because you're gonna go to hotels with shit hairdryers. That's gonna piss you off.
I don't know, man.
I think don't stress yourself out. I think as long as you have all your equipment, your laptop, your phone, your travel documents, everything else, I mean, you can get in the UK.
And my Visa card.
You don't even need a visa, you get Apple Pay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see,
My
these
phone.
days, yeah, just your phone, I told you. So you can get the rapid tests and the mask in the UK as well, and now your family can help you get something.
What other stuff do I need actually? Is there something I've forgotten?
Just have enough cash. Or like credit on your credit card. Or access to money.
Call a friend.
Don't call me.
50-50.
Yeah, he's got to prep the checks and all the knickknacks in Hong Kong.
Pay the rent.
Yeah, and we've been rushing to renew our, what do you call those?
Is it a driving permit of some sort?
License.
Yeah, what used to remember being a tax disc in the UK for the car, they have the same thing in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
And I had to get that sorted before I fly.
Insurance, yeah, a lot
to
of...
fix the aircon. Guys, help me. What else do I need? What should I do? How should I chill out? Any ideas? What do I do?
What do you do?